I am stuck at a location waiting for a delivery for this, for work. And I hate these big ass window like time frames, 10:30 to 2:30, and I have so much else that I have to do, and there's no internet here. So just gonna walk around here, work on my computer a little bit, and check this camera out. I'm a little nasally right now because I am so sick. Okay, so this is the stabilization normal. It's only digital stabilization, so it's probably going to be not as good as enhanced, but it's wider. This is so. One complaint is that obviously this camera doesn't have as much dynamic range, but I'm okay with that. I really don't care. As long as it exposes more of my face, and that's really fine. So whenever there's heavier backlighting, like this, I mean, that's gonna get so blown out. But, I mean, that's fine. I'll probably try to compare this to my iPhone just to see. Okay, this is with enhanced IS now. So you can see it's a little bit tighter. How much better is it really though? Yeah, I'm really sick. And I have a work function on Thursday. I really do not want to be sick because I really want to go to this function. Okay, let's see if this works. Is this pretty cool? The screen is so tiny you can't really tell. Okay, this is with stabilization completely turned off. I mean, it's so wide. How bad is it really going to be? I don't know how bad that actually is going to be. Well, we'll see. It's a 19 millimeter equivalent. That's pretty wide. Look how much wider it is when you have it turned off. I feel like, though, with the electronic stabilization on non-enhanced, is probably the best, like, middle ground. Also, I am noticing that the camera is tracking my face pretty well. I mean, the box is following it, but I won't know. The screen is so small I can't really see it. I can tell that it's tracking my head, but I don't know if it's tracking it well, like if it's pulsing or not. I know it's only contrast to text, so we'll see. We'll see how this is. I guess that's as much walking as you really need me to do. All right, moving on. Okay, I'm gonna do the same walk, but with the iPhone. It's an iPhone 13. Just a standard video setting, however it is. I'm just gonna do this a couple times. I'm using the back camera, the proper camera, so I can get the best footage as I could get. Otherwise, the front-facing camera is just gonna suck. And I'm just not a fan of the front-facing camera anyway, so. Also, this is a good test to see how the audio is gonna be. This is just straight out of camera, or straight out of, camera, phone, whatever. I'm pretty sure iPhones are so good now that, you won't probably tell the difference. It'll probably be better with dynamic range, honestly. But again, I'm just not a fan of using phones as a camera unless I'm trying to get a certain look or something. But otherwise, having a proper camera is just so much better. Then you can preserve the camera, the battery life on your phone. Like I use my phone for so many other different things for work. It already dies pretty quickly, much more so if I have to use it for this kind of stuff. All right, I think that's enough walking. I'm gonna try the cinematic mode now. All right, let's do this last iPhone test. This is with cinematic mode on, so I can blur out the background, make it look cool. Sure, this is gonna look maybe better, maybe sharper, but it might look over sharpened. I know that's kind of the problem with iPhones or just phones in general, is that you can't really control the sharpness. I know the newer iPhone 15 and 15 Pro is a lot cooler, but I don't have money for a new iPhone. I mean, I've really quite enjoying that camera for multiple reasons. And I might start streaming soon. I don't know. Play with the idea. I know I've tried vlogging a lot, and I'm not comfortable carrying a big camera. Not to mention, I already have to carry around other things for work, and just having something that's so functionally easy that I can just throw in my pocket at any time is ideal. So the V10 ticks a lot of boxes for me. All right, I'm gonna have to sit down and get back to work. So I think that's enough tests for the cinematic mode on this phone, which I'm mostly talking about the V10. So this is basically my desk right now. Just sitting on a stool. There's just nothing in here yet.